So we needed another rolly seat in the shop. So we ordered this Torin Blackjack off of Amazon. It had really good reviews. So we're going to give you a little product review of this thing. It has a fully padded seat. It has a large tool tray down here. 4 cast-ring wheels on it. Has a 250-pound load limit on it. And it casters really nicely. So we'll see how it does long term.
It does donuts and burnouts and all kinds of stuff.
But we'll link the product down below if you're interested. And
oh, it's LS powered too. It's got 4 turbos. It's just awesome.